your Facebook has generated more lead, but you don't get qualified lead. If your sales funnel not configured, Facebook already alarm your lead quality and lead cover is very poor. Don't configure your sales funnel. If you face same related problem, most advisor face same related problem. If you generate more lead but Facebook not get your proper qualified data and proper qualify ideal customer behavior. In this video, I already solved same related problem. My client face same related problem. My client not get any qualified lead. My client get huge full garbage lead, but qualified lead score very poor. I already solved this problem. Also solved Facebook sales funnel problem. In this video, I will show how to fix this problem, how to configure sales funnel, and how to set up and recover your tracking problem. Now, keep watching. Recently, I get a new project from Upwork. My client face same related tracking issue and same related sales funnel configure problem. I already say this is my client old pixel, and I already see Facebook already alarm low lead coverage alarm because low lead coverage alarm don't move sales funnel not configured. This pixel connect my client CRM side and also connected this pixel my client website. But Facebook also recommended another pixel, another data set use another data source. And but my client two types data source use same pixel. Uh, my client I already solved my client problem. How to solve my client problem, how to recover my client problem, show step by step. I create a news app for tracking purpose. This is Zapier, and Zapier I create this app. This app I create for Zoho data move to Facebook. And this is cache hook URL, and all data Zoho CRM all data cache this URL. And I already split two types, part 1 and part B. Part A actually this data Zoho data move to Facebook. I already use JavaScript, and this JavaScript use because all user information and also Zoho lead modify time and modify time, yeah, Unix format convert, and all user format all user data convert in a hash format, because Facebook also recommended user format hash format, and also recommended lead lead modify time Unix format. I already whole process complete, and I all part B part B actually use all user data like all user information and all qualify and not qualify all data stored in Google Sheet, because could easily make the decision for any step how many types of lead come in Joe CRM, and how many types of lead qualify a day, 2 day, and 3 day, a week, and how types of how types of traffic convert site visit, and how types of traffic actually convert the book stage. This decision I easily see in Google Sheet. This Google Sheet connect this Zapier, and I already connect this Zapier, and heavy data show in Google Sheet. And per day by day all data, all username, first name, lead creation time, Facebook ID, lead last activity time means Zoho lead modify time, and email, phone number, gender, and lead status. After the configuration, Facebook sales funnel proper configure, and Meta already suggested the sales funnel is already configured and connect CRM properly in this pixel. And all event, like all CRM event show Facebook event manager, and day by day all data like today data today, and after 15 days, 16 days, all data show in Facebook event manager properly. And all data stored in Google Sheet, all stored data in Google Sheet. And also solve my client problem, how many types of campaign and how many types of qualified lead in this campaign show in Meta in the result column. In this campaign I already create after the configuration, and already Meta result column show as a qualified lead count. Total how many leads of come in ad in means of Meta lead, or how many types of lead qualify in this means of qualify lead. Meta result column already show how many types of lead qualify. Meta already optimized my ads, how ads as a qualify base. If you face same type tracking related issue, same times sales funnel configure issue, and same types automation related issue, feel free to reach out. Don't hesitate. I always assist you. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with any friend who suffers same type tracking problem, same type configuration problem, and same type automation related problem, share this video and subscribe my channel and get more same types related tracking related and solution related video. Thank you. Watching again.